Hello everybody, this is Jack, and I got a request to show the four-way or flashers and the regular turn signals of my '08 and '09 Mustang. Right now what you see is the '09 Mustang. These are sequential taillights, the kit I installed myself. Very simple installation. And you can see that it's a kind of neat pattern here. Should get anybody's attention. And over here on the '08, I have the right turn signal flashing. And in a second, I'll put on the left turn signal so you can see. So there it is. That's the left. And again the four-way. And there's, let me turn on the lights so you can see what the flasher would look like over here with the regular tail lights on. There you can see it. Okay. I think it's a good modification. And another thing about it is that when you put your brakes on, all 6 segments, 3 on each side, go are stoplights. In the regular Mustang setup, only 4, 2 on each side, are stoplights.